Hello everyone, welcome to Attama Ruchilu. Once again, thank you for making our tomato pickle in Telugu a huge success. We got a huge response for that tomato pickle in Telugu. So many viewers requested to make tomato pickle in English. So as per the viewers request, we are making this tomato pickle in English now. So actually we are making this tomato pickle in English with exact measurements. So don't skip the video until the end to know the measurements. So let's get into the video. For making a tomato pickle, the required ingredients are tomatoes, oil, tamarind, mustard seeds powder, fenugreek seeds powder, red chilli powder, salt and garlic. These are the requirements to make the tomato pickle. To know the exact measurements, please watch the video till the end. To make the tomato pickle, take 1 kg of tomatoes, wash them cleanly and dry it. Now remove the upper part of the tomato and cut into the pieces. You can cut into 4 pieces or you can cut to 3 to 6 pieces. It doesn't mind. So you can cut into pieces. So cut all the tomatoes into the pieces. Yes, now we finished cutting the tomatoes. Now let's go to the next process. Keep one pan in the stove and put 2 tablespoons of oil and add all the tomatoes into the pan. Let them fry. Let them fry for 5 minutes. Tomatoes are cooking, right? In the meantime, you can add the 100 grams of tamarind without seed. So now I am adding the tamarind. After that, mix it well into the tomatoes. Mix very well into the tomatoes. Once the tamarind and tomatoes mixed, just put the lid into the pan and cook for 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the tempering for the pickle. Just add the 400 ml of oil. Once the oil was heated, add 2 tablespoons of Bengal gram and 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Mix it very well until it cooks. See, now all the tamperings are cooked. Just add the 5 chilies and now add the garlic 60 grams into the oil. Let it fry. You should take only the crushed garlic. Don't forget that. Why? Because the crushed garlic will give you the more taste that you can, while adding in the oil, the pickle will be very tasty. Otherwise you can add directly the garlic also, there will be no problem. So let cook for 5 minutes. The garlic and the green chilies will be cooked perfectly. Before you off the stove, just add the 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder and mix well in the oil. So the tempering is ready now. Let it cool for some time. So we shouldn't mix the hot oil into the pickle. After 5 minutes, open the lid and check the tomatoes and the tamarind. Mix very well. Let's cook the tomatoes and the tamarind until the water evaporates. Do not add the lid in the pan from now. Let it cook the same way where I am showing in the video. So let the water evaporates for the some time. It takes a little bit time. See, now the water already fully evaporated and it was mixed very well, tamarind and the tomatoes, like where I am showing in the video. The tomatoes and the tamarind were cooked very well. You need to cook the same way where I am showing in the video. Now off the stove. Okay friends, now tomato and the tamarind was cooled completely after 10 minutes. Now I am putting this paste into the mixie jar and I will grind it smoothly. Okay friends, I kept everything in the mixie jar and I am going to grind it very smoothly. Okay friends, here is the paste. Take one bowl and put whole paste into this bowl. And add 100 grams of salt, 100 grams of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons fenugreek powder, 2 tablespoons mustard seeds powder, and mix them well. Like you need to mix until all ingredients should be melt in this paste. Okay friends, now all the ingredients are mixed very well. Now I am going to add all the tampered ingredients. Okay friends, now I am adding oil into the pickle. Now we need to mix all these tampering ingredients like fenugreek leaves, red chilies and everything garlic should mix well actually. So we need to mix them well. As how I am showing in the video, you need to mix everything very well. See how beautiful the pickle is looking now. See the colorful of the pickle. See the color of the pickle. See how it looks. After mixing everything, you will find very natural colors from the tomato. And see the garlic. So the mixed garlic, if you eat in the rice, it will be very tasty. Okay friends, finally our tomato pickle is completed. I just want to taste it. Let's taste it. It's really awesome. The taste is very nice. I hope you like the way how I cook this tomato pickle. So friends, this is the simple way to cook the tomato pickle. I hope you like the video. Please try this recipe and let us know the taste of the pickle in the comment section. Please share my video and subscribe to my Attama Ruchulu channel. Thank you for watching.